Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel on Advanced Excel. In today's video, I am not going to show you any difficult functions or anything like that. But in this video, I am going to share you a very simple EMI calculator. I know there are heaps of EMI calculators which are available online, but this is my take on this EMI, right? So what do you mean by EMI? EMI stands for equated monthly installment. Now everybody knows this. So let's take this example, say 30 lakh. This is my loan amount. Then interest rate, let's take it to 9% and tenure say 20 years. So in the first step, we'll calculate monthly interest. So simple, 30 lakh into bracket. This is my interest rate per annum. So it is for 12 months. So I'll divide this by 12, divided by 12. Okay, so this is monthly interest. In step 2, we'll say 1 plus into bracket this interest per annum divided by 12. I'll complete parenthesis for this particular division of interest. I'll complete parenthesis entirely for this 1 plus interest division function, and then we'll say rest to the power of, again into bracket. Now this is tenure in years. Okay, imagine this to be a housing loan. So multiply by 12, so 240 months, isn't it? I'll press enter here. Okay, this is the amount. In step 3, we'll simply reduce 1 from this minus 1, and in step 4 you will get that EMI, which is nothing but result of step 1 into bracket this result of step 2 divided by result of step 3. This is your EMI, right? So your EMI for a loan amount of 30 lakh, interest rate 9% and tenure 20 years, that is 240 months, the EMI comes to 26,992, and EMI per lakh will be simple, this EMI divided by into bracket 30 lakh divided by 1 lakh, isn't it? Enter. So for every 1 lakh rupees, your EMI comes to 899.73. Now the EMI breakup, again a very simple thing, 30 lakh divided by into bracket 20 into 12, 240 months, right? So this is my principal. Interest is simple, 26,992 minus 12,500. This is my interest. So your EMI breakup is you have got, and the principal you pay this much, and the total interest you pay during the entire tenure of the loan is nothing but this into this 20 years into 12 months per year. So enter. So at the end of this tenure of 20 years, for a loan amount of 30 lakh and interest rate of 9%, the fellow pays 64 lakh 78,027 entire towards the principal and interest. So you can see that whenever a person takes a loan, a housing loan, he pays more than the principal amount towards interest. Okay, so friends, this was my take of EMI, and it's a very simple Excel calculator. You can simply change here the figures in this yellow cells, say 50 lakhs, 8.75, tenure say 15 years, and all the parameters change automatically. Okay, so I am leaving a link of Excel file for you to download, so that you can benefit. Please share this video with everybody, and even you can you do use it whenever you feel that you need to calculate EMI, and you can even check this online to see whether this amount of this EMI is tallying or not. Okay, so take care, thanks, bye.